to manage all your CTAs and personal to-dos for a project, but exclude them from the main project plan, you can make use of custom boards. To access custom boards, click on the hamburger icon in the top left corner. Click on the Transformation Hub. Click on Boards. Now, click on Custom Boards. To create a new board, click on this plus icon. Give a name to the board. Then click Save. The newly created board will appear last. You can also search for it by its name. To create a task under the board, click on the plus icon inside the board. Enter the task title, date, and assign a user. Click on the arrow to create the task. To set a preferred color for the board, click here and select a color. To change the status, just click and update it. For better governance and management of the tasks, click on the Expand view. Here you can see the complete details of your tasks. You can add tags to the task, which helps categorize and organize your tasks more efficiently. By using the filter option, you can track and manage sets of tasks based on these tags. You can add tasks here just like in the workbook. Right-click to insert or delete a row. Enter the task details in the inserted rows, or just copy and paste them here. Then click Save to save the changes. If you need to add any work items, processes, or events as a reference to any task, just click on the reference icon. Select the type of the item you need to link. All the items of that selected type in the project will display. Select one. Now, click the tick icon. The reference will be added. Click the icon again to view the reference. Use the comments to discuss the task with your team. To tag someone, use the @ symbol followed by their username. The tagged person will be notified in My Workspace mentions. And, also through mail. Tasks that are not completed by their scheduled planned date, will be shown here, and highlighted in red. The number of days delayed from the planned dates will shown in variance. When the task is in active status, it compares the plan from date with the actual start date. When the task is completed, it compares the plan to date with the actual end date, and show the difference. This helps you see how well you are aligned with your planned days. Also, you can see the completion progress here. It is calculated based on the task status. The total 100% will be divided equally among the tasks. Here, there are 20 tasks on the board, so 100% divided by 20 is 5% for each task. When a task is marked completed, its allocated percentage from the division will be added to the progress bar. There are a total of 15 completed tasks, so 15 multiplied by 5% equals 75%. For tasks marked active, you can enter the percentage of work completed in the active percentage column, and when a task set to complete, it automatically set to 100. Use the back button to return to the boards page. That's all. Share this video with your team and ask them to start creating their personal boards.